What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the ProDentim before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the ProDentim works. What is ProDentim? ProDentim is a natural oral probiotic formula crafted to enhance teeth and gum health. This dietary complex incorporates a blend of 3.6 billion high-quality probiotic strains and 3 other unique ingredients that synergistically work to restore the balance of good bacteria in the mouth. According to the manufacturer, ProDentim is designed to benefit all individuals, thanks to its inclusion of high-quality ingredients. Each bottle of ProDentim contains 30 soft tablets, intended for a month's intake. This probiotic complex is manufactured in the United States in FDA-approved and GMP-certified lab facilities, utilizing state-of-the-art machinery. The ProDentim tablet is non-habit-forming and free from GMOs, gluten, and stimulants, emphasizing its commitment to safety and purity. How ProDentim works? The formulation of the ProDentim oral health supplement is based on detailed research and analysis. This supplement is crafted using a combination of 3.6 billion probiotic strains and 3 other natural ingredients aimed at improving teeth and gum health. According to information from the official website, the ProDentim oral probiotic formula operates based on a recent study published in the Springer Nature publication. The study suggests that individuals with good oral health tend to have a high population of beneficial bacteria in their mouths. The use of dental products, such as toothpaste, may deplete the amount of good bacteria, as these products often contain toxic substances. The ProDentim doctor-formulated supplement is designed to supply probiotic strains and other effective ingredients that work together to rebuild good bacteria in the mouth, thereby improving teeth and gum health. Ingredients used in ProDentim formulation. ProDentim Dental Support Supplement is formulated using 3.6 billion probiotic strains and 3 unique ingredients. The ProDentim ingredients are sourced from trusted places and are listed below with their benefits. Lactobacillus paracasei. Lactobacillus paracasei is a gram-positive lactic acid bacteria that has many health-promoting properties. Studies suggest that this bacterium improves oral microbial balance, thereby helping maintain dental and oral health. Lactobacillus paracasei also keeps the sinuses free and open. Lactase BL04b. Lactase BL04 is an anaerobic rod-shaped bacterium that offers several health benefits including immune function and gastrointestinal function. Studies have shown that this ProDentim ingredient is beneficial in treating oral conditions like chronic periodontitis. Lactobacillus reuteri. This ProDentim ingredient is another lactic acid bacterium that is capable of improving dental health. It destroys the bacterium Streptococcus mutans, which is responsible for tooth decay. This bacterium also helps treat symptoms related to chronic gingivitis. Inulin. Inulin is a polysaccharide that belongs to a class of dietary fibers known as fructans. Studies have found that this prebiotic helps reduce oral malodor by increasing the concentration of acidogenic bacteria and preventing the growth of malodor-causing bacteria. Malic acid. Malic acid is a type of acid found in certain fruits and wines. It has bleaching properties that help lighten stained teeth, and it also increases saliva production in people with dry mouth. So, this ProDentim ingredient helps prevent tooth decay. ProDentim Gum Health Formula also contains other high-quality ingredients like tricalcium phosphate and peppermint.